Welcome to Building Blocks for Kindergarten with Santa Monica Public Library. Today we're going to read a bedtime story and make our own bedtime book. Why are we making a book? Because it helps children learn that words and pictures are connected. Bienvenidos a Construyendo los Cimientos para el Kinder con la Biblioteca Pública de Santa Mónica. Hoy vamos a leer un cuento para dormir y haremos nuestro propio libro para dormir. ¿Por qué estamos haciendo un libro? Porque ayuda a los niños a aprender que las palabras y las imágenes están conectadas. First, let's read Margaret Wise Brown's classic, Goodnight Moon. We'd like to thank Simon & Schuster for permission to share this book. Okay, ready? Primero, leamos el clásico de Margaret Wise Brown, Goodnight Moon. Nos gustaría agradecer a Simon & Schuster por su permiso para compartir este libro. ¿Listo? In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of the cow jumping over the moon. And there were 3 little bears sitting in chairs and 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens and a little toy house and a young mouse and a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. Mush is like oatmeal. And a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. And good night, mittens. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks. Good night, little house. And good night, mouse. Good night, comb. And good night, brush. Good night, nobody, and good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering, hush. Good night, stars, and good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. Kids, what things do you want to say goodnight to? Let's make a bedtime book. It's easy. Niños, ¿a qué o a quién le quieren decir buenas noches? Hagamos un libro para la hora de dormir. Es fácil. You'll need the following materials. Necesitarán los siguientes materiales: construction paper or cardstock, cartulina, white paper, papel blanco, hole puncher, perforador, yarn, hilo, colored markers, marcadores de colores, glue, pegamento, scissors, tijeras, foam, goma eva. Need more resources? Check out Reading Rocket's article sharing wordless picture books to learn how to have literacy-rich conversations with your child. You'll be surprised at all the talking you will do and all the fun you'll have. ¿Necesita más recursos? Consulte el artículo de Reading Rocket Sharing Wordless Picture Books para aprender a tener conversaciones enriquecedoras de alfabetización con su hijo. Se sorprenderá todo lo que hablará y toda la diversión que tendrá. Today's tip was about language development. Building Blocks are short bilingual English-Spanish video segments that focus on targeted kindergarten readiness skills through reading and interactive activities. El consejo de hoy fue sobre el desarrollo del lenguaje. Los cimientos son breves segmentos de videos bilingües en inglés y español que se enfocan en habilidades específicas de preparación para el kinder a través de actividades interactivas y de lectura. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Gracias por vernos y hasta pronto.